Ndinoshuvira, ndinotarisira kusangana nemi, Mwari. Moyo wangu unoda, moyo wangu unoda, moyo wangu unoda imi. Ndinoshuvira, ndinotarisira kusangana nemi, Mwari. I love this song, guys. I love this song, and I just hope and wish that God will meet you at the point of your need. We all have different kinds of needs in our lives. I also have mine, and I also have my desires. I also have my wishes and all that. And I just pray that as God remembers pavanorangarira vamwe Mwari nevo vakurangarirawo, when He remembers me, can He also remember you? Can He also meet you at your point of your need? Mwari vatiitire nyasha, and tiropafadzwe tese, and then we all be happy and we all be gracious to Him. And I believe that all those answers, they don't come at the same time. As much as we want kuti Mwari vatipindure, but even if we pray musi one pachinhu chakafanana, but Mwari havatipindure nenguva yakafanana. There is always a different time for each and every one of us. So Mwari dai vaita kuti zvauri kushuvira newe usangane nazvo, usangane naMwari, then He blesses you, He gives you all that you wish for, and you be happy and you be satisfied and you be encouraged to do more and to pray more and to worship Him no more, and to have a reason to wake up and say, thank you, Lord, for everything that You've done for me. Okay, guys, that's it for today. I wish you guys to have a wonderful Monday. I wish you guys to have a great Monday tomorrow and a wonderful week. All the best. Peace. I'm out.